update your Angular version and what things you need to keep in mind. So let's start. What was the compatibility? And I will discuss more on all those things like migrations, configurations, and update time. And so in the video, and I added sources also so that you can go through. So let's start. So here I have created a sample project to update the version. So to update the version, what you need to do, you need to follow a few steps. So let me show you like how you can proceed for that. So to update and migrate your Angular project, you should use the Angular CLI's ng update command. So there are few commands I will mention here also. What you should use to update the Angular project, and the purpose involves in updating one migration version at a time. So basically, if you're migrating from 13 to 20, whatever version it is going. So firstly, you will go to 13 to 14, 14 to 15. So yeah, so the process involves updating one major version at a time. And here, and running automated migrations schematics. So that is a different thing. Like you want to opt for those migrations or not for, or you just only want to update the version. So first in the migrations you will move to the new features. Yeah. So to update the project, what you need to do first, you need to just run the ng update command. So it will give you guidance on updating one by one. So there are other practice also, like you can directly move from 13 to 20, but it is not a good practice to go through all those things. So I will also show you some notes so that you will go through that on later also. And so let's start with the project, like how you can migrate a project. So what are the steps involved? So firstly, what you need to do, you need to check a current version and start upgrading the versions after that. So let's see. Here I have created some project. So if you see here, this is a project that we can use to run our application. So let me run the project also so that you can see what we have updated. And currently, if you see, the version is 19, and we need to update it to the latest version. So let's see how we can proceed to the latest version, and how we can update. Okay, so now just running the project to slab. Let me show you the running the project. So this is a project that I'm currently talking about. So if you see here, we can see the project details and all. So now let's migrate it. So what command I did, I discussed ng update. So let's start with the ng update. So firstly, you need to check if you want to check the version. So you can also check the version here. What is the current version? Now, so if you see here, we have 19 version currently. So now what we need to do, I need to migrate to the new version. So now let's move to the new version so that we can check like how we can proceed further. And in the slides also I added like what changes you will see if you migrate those changes, if you migrate those versions. So let's see. So here I ran the ng update. So they give us the instruction like firstly I need to go to this, then this. Okay. So and also means we need to commit those changes also. So after that it will only allow us to update the changes. We don't provide any availability. Okay. So now what can do here? We can simply migrate uh, either one by one, or either go on in a single way. So now let's what instruction it gave us. Now let's run those commands, but these commands will not work unless I need to. So here I need to commit my changes also. So now let's see. Just giving us instruction like update these packages. to move to the latest. So that you see here, so we need to clean our repository first. So let's clean the repository. Oh, sorry, the command is wrong. Let me update the command also. Okay, so now our repository is clean now. So now let's update the version to 20. So if you see the application, our application is working fine as we have checked. So now let's update the version one by one. But let's wait for some time. To update the version. So in the meantime, you can check my resources also, what resources I mentioned. So you can check this whiteboard. You can check my blog on Medium, so that you will get to know like how you can update your browser from 15 to 19 here I discussed. And I discussed like what errors you need to fix if there is any error occurs. Okay, so let's go back again. Okay, I think it will take some time, so we can discuss more on the blogs also in the meantime. And if you want to check on the latest, like what are the latest version. So if you see here, we have this 21 is the new version that we have. So we are now currently we are in this video we are targeting to move to the new version and to 21. So if you want to see the changes of 21, so you can go to that also to check those changes. So these are my social media channels. You can for update you can check those channels. And you can also comment it here so that I can get back to you. So if you see here, we have different releases, like what are the releases, this new version, what are the new things they have introduced. So what are in the core, these packages, what they have. So you can check all those things. So I think currently it has some issues. Migration failed, so incompatible peer dependencies found. So there is some issue. Okay, so now we can fix that. Okay, so now let's see how we can fix those dependencies, peer dependencies. So yeah, it is failing. Just a second. Peer dependencies working. Okay. You can ignore. Okay, so either we need to update our package log JSON, something like that. Just kind of issue. So yeah, we can fix that. Okay, I think we need to forcefully update those things. So if you see here, in the past we got this peer dependency. So in that case, what we have done, we have updated it forcefully so that it will get updated. So now let's try out that way. When installing these, that those might not work correctly, here is a force to ignore a type of field and instead add a simple one later. Okay, so now let's put this command with the force. in the meantime, we can go through our blogs. So here I discussed about the releases and tags, what are the new versions, what are the new updates in the each package that each input that we use, like we use Angular core, we use Angular form. So yeah, you can check all those updates what they have introduced new. So this is about that. And next, if we go to this, so here in this video I talk about like upgrading a version from 15 to 19. So yeah, here so in my slide I also mentioned about this site. So here you can see what changes you need to go through from updating the version. So if you see, it will list out all the few things like what things will change. Show me how to update. So here it will show the steps also. So if you see here, updates, what are the changes, what are the code changes you need to make after migrating to the new version. These are the changes that you need to do. So you can view all those things here. Like this is a basic, so you can search and see what changes they have introduced. According to that, you can migrate your changes, you can update your version. Next is, yeah, I discuss about this and preparing the project, checking the version, updating the version one by one. And so if there are means if there are breaking changes, how you can fix that. So each version might introduce, so what are the API changes, all these things. Maybe you will face these errors, you will face these problems after that depreciation. These issues you may face after that. And so update third party dependencies. So if you can also update with the npm outdated command also. See the changes. So now it is updating to the, so if you see here we have updated to the new version number 20. So these are the libraries that we generally have in our Angular project. So yeah, you can migrate there also. Test thoroughly all those changes. And also yeah, if you updating from 18 to 19 in updating the features in 18 plus 19, so yeah, there are few things like signals, transitions, and this Dapper API. So yeah, it's optional like you want to wait those or not. So as I mentioned about this error repository is not clean, so in that case you can commit your changes. And also this ng update we have already done. So step by step updating. So you see here updating 15. So here we are updating 14, 15, then 16. Then we have 17. Then we have, so these are the comments I added, also added like what things you will see when you are updating your packages. So this is the complete guide like what things you will see. So when you update 19, and yeah, that's the last step. So migration is completed. So is it done? Okay, so still it is installing the packages. Wait for some time. Okay, other things also like fixes. So let's talk about the fixes also. Upgrading depends safely. So also we have one more thing, like if you want to directly move from one to the high, the latest one. So yeah, you can also use this command, but yeah, it is not preferable. Like it will directly migrate to the change. So if you see here, it will give us like if you which is enterprise application. So maybe it will show give some issues. So it is a super tool that helps pump your packages to the latest version. So it directly so here we are doing one by one, but it directly goes to the latest version, so which is not recommendable, which is not recommended. So because so after updating you will face these common issues like scheme validation error and so you may face this schema validation error. So in that case, what you need to do, you need to update acknowledgement file, and yeah, I mentioned the steps also how you can fix all those things. So here I also mentioned about the site like where we can give check those in details. So yeah, you can use refer that also. Here I mentioned the general warnings that you can use to you can use this to fix that. Okay. Okay, now let's wait to get this project migrated to Dirty. Then after this we will move to the Dirty one. Let's stop this project for some time. So now we have used semantics to generate our application. Okay. Okay, these are the versions that we just updated with the force command. But yeah, this force is not recommended. So yeah, you can use that npm outdated command. So if you see here, I mentioned about npm outdated. So this one firstly means run this command and then update the third-party libraries and that are compatible with the new version. Then you need to update the ng. So these are the functions that we updated us. It is running all the things automatically, like what things they move, what things they depreciated. Yeah. Just enter to select the changes that you need to keep in our project. Okay, so now finally it's got migrated. So now let's see. Is our project running, building? So yeah, all these things we can see here. Yeah, perfect. It is running. Perfect. Okay, cool. So now let's move to the new version 221. Let's see how it works there. So now just run again ng update to show you, like it will again give you the pushing your changes. So now if you want to update that, so just run those commands. So now we will run again to the whatever command these are suggested. So let's go there. Okay, so now firstly we need to commit our changes, add commit and push our changes. So now we can run our ng update command to update those versions. So I'm getting these warnings because currently I'm on the Android 20 version. So globally in my system Android 20 is installed currently. So like if you want to upgrade to the specific project, so yeah, it is temporarily installing like that version to perform that update. So in the new project you can see the difference, like It is using ES build and for building and starting the project. And these are the configurations that are changed. So if you see here, we do not have module now. These are new features. If you're migrating, you must aware of all those things. This main TS is the here we are bootstrapping the application, like what component we need to pass. And yeah, we have the routes defined here, configurations and all. So this is a separate thing, so I will discuss that in the different video. So here we just need to learn about more on the upgrading to the latest version or whatever specific version you want to go. Okay, again the same error. Okay, so now let's go here. Okay, now let's go here. Slide npm outdated. So these are dependencies that are outdated. So now let's install those dependencies. But I think we need to set those things manually in our system. So yeah, let's set up this. Current wanted. Okay, so let's compare what thing we need to add. So yeah, this is missing. And okay, these three dependencies we need to add. Okay, we can add it. Point 6.2. Okay, this roll up to yeah, this roll up here after dependency. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, so now let's update those animations. So what things are different here? Unwanted. Okay. So I think we have added all those dependencies. So now let's go again. Install. Let's stop it from now. Let's go back again. So So here the zone JS will be 0.15, 15.1. Just preset will be 15.6. Okay, yeah, let's go now. Install. Let's run the command again. Let's put it again. Perfect. Now let's move to mounted it. So here what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to like avoiding the force flag, so which is not recommended. So that is why I'm using np modulate command. So let's see, still I think one dependency is missing. So yeah, let's see. Like, should we need to remove the node modules or should we need to remove the package log JSON? Okay. So now if you see, everything is working here. So without force flag, we are successfully able to move into the new version. So if you see here, okay, so currently the project is not working. Let me stop that also. Okay, let me stop this now. We stop this now. So here, just stop this project. Because we mostly need to install our packages. So what I was trying to do So, so currently also I'm doing. Let me add it here. Here in the video I've used force flag, not a recommendation. So in the meantime, still taking solid packages. So yeah, we can go through our slide. So what problem we face here? So here means the packages were outdated. So we updated the packages with the what we use and we ordered so outdated command. So that firstly we update our packages and then we move our command. So yeah, we learn like how we can solve that problem and we use npm outdated for that. You can use that. So if you find out any new thing, what you can do, you can simply here like post it in the comment like what problem you face, what error you face, and what exception you got, and means how you want to solve that problem. Or I will also provide a solution if you want anything related to that your bug. And yeah, what should you use? What links are important? So yeah, you can go through that. So in the meantime, we will go through our slides. So what you can do. So first, what we have done: check current version, updating one version at a time. We fix errors. So yeah, repeat for subsequent versions. And yeah, this is often a step like adopting new features like signals, control flow, and all you want to adapt. So we see the guide also like how we can update our version like 2021. So here currently what we are doing, we are updating 1921. So yeah, what changes it will give us. So yeah, you can check those in details. So yeah, I also added the resources also what you can use uh, to see what I have done to migrate to the new version. So here what we also learn like this command is very important. Like means to use the best practices approach. So yeah, after installing, you just need to check those commands also like all this build is creating or not, test is working or not. So yeah, you can go through these things also. Yeah, these are the migration command. Like this is just a for demo. I added this command. Like you can run those commands to move to the new features. So you see here now the packages move to the new version, new update, yeah, 21.0.5. That I already shown you. Like this is the latest version that we have. So these are the pre-release, yeah, that we do not want to move to. So yeah, this is the latest that we are using currently, 12.0.5. For our changes it has done. So yeah, all those things you can find out in the detail from this is the official resource of the MOU. If you have anything to discuss, yeah, just post it out here to discuss it more. Okay, so now let's see our changes, what it is making. Yeah, so these are the packages that are updated now. Balance, CLI, CLI. So let's wait for a minute. Then we will going to rerun our app. So yeah, basically, my target was to show you like what errors you may face while migrating the project and how you can solve those errors, fixes, and yeah, if you got any other exception, yeah, you can post here. So I will try to get you the answer of that. Yeah. So yeah, these are the optional things like you want to take those things or not. Later you can migrate those things also. So now you can see the changes, what changes it has done like in the in the ES or in the main file. So now we have zoneless by default. If you see here, zoneless detection, provide engine detection. These are the this is the control flow that we have migrated to. And yeah, some packages are removed from here, no longer needed. Stone model we do not no longer needed. Yeah, you may face some issues, so yeah, I will discuss that in a different video, like what module you need to import and all. Okay, so now let's see run this project again. So yeah, maybe it will give us error because we have some problems now to fix. So yeah, we have. So now let's reload our app again. So finally, we are on the 21 now. Perfectly, it is working. So if you want to check the version also here, so let's go to this. Yeah, so now you see the version is 21. So perfectly we migrated to the new version. So yeah, means I already told you like if you face any other problem, any other exception, any other issue, error, so just post it here and try to avoid this way. Just use npm outdated to update those things. Yeah. Subscribe, yeah, to stay tuned for the new content. Yeah. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.